Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add engine oil in 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. This is gonna apply to Chrysler Town and Countries made from 2008 and all the way up to 2016. This is also gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 and all the way up to 2020. You wanna make sure that you are parked on the level surface and your engine is off. Ideally, your engine needs to be off for at least 5 minutes for oil to settle down. First, I'm gonna open the hood by pulling this hood lever. To open the hood, you will have to push down on this lever and then lift the hood up. And then secure with the hood rod. Before adding oil, you will have to check oil level. And you're gonna do that by pulling this engine oil dipstick out and check the level. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. When you first pull out engine oil dipstick, you wanna wipe it down and then reinsert it. Alright, I wiped it down, I insert it again, and now I'm gonna pull it out to check the oil level. And now, as you can see, my oil level is up to here, and ideally you want your oil level to be right in the middle of these two lines, so minimum line and then maximum line. So we need oil level to be right in the middle. So at my oil change at the shop, I guess they didn't fill out the fluid all the way. Then I checked it out and I saw it's not all the way, so I'm gonna fill it up. Now I'm gonna wipe this down again and reinsert it inside. And now I'm gonna add some oil. So what you need to do first, you wanna check the oil viscosity, the type of oil that your vehicle is using. Make sure you have that oil, and then you will have to open this oil cap by turning it counterclockwise. Put it aside. And now you want to insert funnel inside. And now you can start adding oil. You want to make sure you add little by little, depends how much you are missing. I think I'm missing about liter and a half. When you added oil, you want to wait at least 1 minute before you check engine oil level again. Alright, I'm gonna check it out. And as you can see, I'm getting closer to that minimum line, so I just need to add a little bit more. And now I'm gonna check it again. And now my oil level is right where I want it to be. It's right in the middle. It's okay if you fill it up to the maximum line, it can't hurt, but make sure you don't overfill it. When you're done, make sure you put engine oil dipstick back and your oil cap. To secure it, turn it clockwise. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.